Hello and welcome to this week's Unity Community Collaborations YouTube Promotion of the Week. Every week on Mondays, we spotlight 3 YouTube channels we know that you'll enjoy. All the channels introduced this week have links below the video. To access the links, simply click the More button to see each listed channel. Visit, subscribe, and like all the channels in this week's UCC YouTube Promotion of the Week. If you would like to be considered for membership to the UCC group, and you have a YouTube channel and a Facebook group of at least 150 members, email us at uccgroup2021@gmail.com. Okay, now for the YouTube channels we're promoting this week. The first channel of the week, selected by Robin Espich of Uniquely Robins, is D. Ann's Designs, owned by Debbie Fletcher. She says, I mainly work with journals. I love to try out new styles of junk journal making. I'm a journaler and suggest that if you're not, you should give it a try. I think you'll love it. The second channel of the week was selected by Kim Lippincott of Vintage Rose Creations by Kim. The channel name is Mac Designs, owned by Misty Blackburn, and she says you'll find many different things here, jewelry, journal making, hauls, and a variety of content. The third channel of the week was selected by Teri S of Sweet-Pea Papers. The channel name is Debbiezagaret. It's owned by Debbiezagaret, and she says, my YouTube channel is mainly about helping the junk journal community. I love to share ideas that are easy, little measuring involved, and use what you already have. I also love helping newbies. Have a great week, and we'll see you again next Monday for the Unity Community Collaborations YouTube promotion and 3 great new YouTube channels. Bye!